Here's a little later model truck, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good customer of ours asked us if we'd represent this truck and get it sold for him. We said sure, bring it on in. It's a nice truck. 2018 Chevrolet Colorado extended cab 4x4. Carfax indicates 2 owners. Actual mile vehicle 54,923, and no accidents. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille and front fascia on this one. Underneath the hood, 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay. Pictured up just like one of our classics. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Chevy steel wheel. Radial tires, and you'll get a good close-up in the still pictures of the tread depth. Looking like there's plenty of tread left on those tires. I did notice we got a little bit of a kind of a scratch in the clear here. Doesn't stand out a whole lot, but I wanted to point that out. Otherwise, paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches over here on this side. Gray interior bucket seat, center console. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, and let you hear it run. Nicely equipped. Power windows, power locks. Cruise control, and like I said, we'll get around to that driver's side, check it out. So, like 4 full doors, a couple kind of jump seats in the rear. Tonneau cover that can be folded up. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Looks like we do have a little bit of a dinger on that rear bumper right there. I did notice one around on this side, kind of the lower portion behind the wheel. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician noted truck drives out great. Brakes are 70% in the front, 100% in the rear. Complete dual exhaust, front to rear. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Obviously, the majority of the trucks you'll see videos on are a lot older than this Chevy, but you never know, and we have a nice late model someone's looking for, just like this one. All right, mentioned power windows, power locks. Do have a power seat over here on the driver's side also. You can see where the seat has been mended. It probably may have been cracked. A little bit of a mend job there, but still nice shape. Rear seating. Of course, tilt column. All right, so there's the exact miles if you look down at the bottom, 54,923. No service, engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that on. 4x4 right here on the go switch. Of course, AC controls, heat, AC blows cold. Headliner good shape, nice interior. Sounds as you would expect, nice and quiet. We can take a quick peek underneath the hood too if you want to see the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take this one for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Let's get that hood open. There's the underside of the hood and engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. I think what you'd expect with the miles on it. And again, that's that 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder. Economical and powerful. There you go, looking for a clean truck. 2-owner, clean Carfax, actual miles. It's a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado extended cab 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado pickup truck. This is an extended cab. Less than 55,000 miles on this truck. Nice bucket seats. Automatic shifted right here between the seats. All our bells and whistles are working. The temperature gauge is approximately 190, which is what you're looking for. The fuel gauge reads almost 3/4 of a tank. The tachometer and speedometer working as they should. We have real needles as well as a digital speed readout. Stereo sounds good.
Away with your custom creation or a classic 1000 degree.
Volume knob is a little touchy. You turn it slowly and it works. Blower motor working well. I'm throwing heat today out of that HVAC system. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Power adjustable driver's seat. Very smooth braking, good acceleration. Slightly lifted look to it with the 4x4 capability. Corners well designed truck. The truck that replaced the S10. We have a tonneau cover over the bed. Very comfortable truck to take on a nice long drive. Check out all the pictures of this 2018 Colorado at UniqueClassicCars.com.